is Federico, and today I'm gonna teach you how to make this delicious dish. It's prepared with crusted pistachio salmon. Also, we're gonna use some shrimp. We have already some risotto prepared, marinara sauce. I'm gonna do some red pesto. And on this side we have some vegetables, peas, so good. You are gonna enjoy it. And this is the real kitchen, how we do it in restaurants. So be ready and let's start doing the pistachio crust. And this is how I make my pistachio crust for salmon or any other fish. I put some pistachios. Okay. Your favorite ingredients. And a little Parmesan cheese. Garlic, salt, black pepper, a little bit of basil, so good smell. This is your pistachio crust for the salmon. Red pesto gets red pepper already roasted. Garlic, some dried tomatoes, basil, black pepper, salt, oil. This makes the difference in the dish. You gotta do it just right, because too much oil is not good. A little bit cashews. That's gonna be all, and some oregano. Missing another good part. Oregano. Here is the red pesto we're gonna use for our sauce. Salt, black pepper, just a little bit touch of oil. People pay $45 to $80 for this dish. Make sure you press it down so the crust stays stick to the salmon. We're gonna start cooking the salmon first because it takes a little bit more time. The oil has not to be super hot. See, look, my salmon is getting ready. Oh yeah. Oops. That's good. It's gonna be into the oven for 10 minutes. This is rice flour. Powder, some paprika, some pepper, and more rice flour right here. The shrimps, look at this. We're gonna have the shrimp here. chicken. Let's add some mushrooms here. Oh, I almost forgot some asparagus. Yes, some pepper, a little bit of green peas, and more garlic. Why not? Oh, come on, get it done. Some pepper. Well, all this is cooking. Then gonna prepare the salsa for this dish. It's marinara sauce, pesto, cheese, heavy cream. Okay. We have 3 dishes we're working here. Now we're gonna add the risotto. A little bit more risotto. Look at this. This is good dish. Lower temperature, more here. And cheese, heavy cream. This thing is doing good. Okay, let's check the salmon. How are you, salmon? Oh, look at it. Beautiful. Nice color. Let's prepare everything for the next move. Because the next move is gonna be delicious. Oh, more garlic. Maybe you're wondering why too much garlic? Because I love garlic. What matters is the flavor. Okay. The risotto, everybody makes a risotto different way. This is my style. Italians do it a different way. Everybody does different way. So that's how I like it. Pouring out a little bit more and pistachio in it. And that's done. Guys, be careful. This was kind of hot. All right. Good. We're gonna add a little bit of basil to the sauce. Look at this. Look at the shrimp. Look, nice and crispy. Beautiful. I love it. We're getting ready to make this dish. It's gonna be good. Make and roll. Yes. Okay, now this is the critical time. This is where I worry. The sauce is done. Alright. Shrimp continue cooking. And guess what? Maybe you're wondering what I'm gonna do. Watch this. This is how I do it in the restaurant. It's just missing my apron. And a bowl to press it down. And come on, come down. You see? Right there. That's what I gotta do. When it's ready, you can just there. Ready for the show? One. It takes only 30 minutes, 30 seconds. Come on. Oh yeah. It flip, it's okay. What do you think about this? So nice and beauty. Some peas. And I present you a great dish. Easy cheesy, right? Hope you like it. And wondering who's gonna eat it. But this dish is great. Thank you for watching the video. And I'm gonna eat this. Maybe yes, maybe not. Who knows?